All right, pickup fans, let's take a look at this one. I'm not the biggest pickup fan, but this one I do like. It is nice. Take a look at the look that this thing has. 1968 GMC K2500, and it is done up nice. First of all, the black paint on it, it does have a light kind of a colored metal flake in it that will not do it justice in these videos or pictures, but you get it out in the sun, and it is a cool looking truck. And then of course with the blacked out grille, the black wheels, black interior, spray and bed liner, I mean, it's got that sinister look to it. And the sound matches. It's got a 383 stroker underneath the hood that is paired with a TH 350 automatic transmission. Now speaking of hood, it looks like they put a little newer hood on it. I believe the 68s would have had some slope where the GMC is right there. Give it a little badder look, that straight, bigger front end coming at you. Just a nicely done, good looking truck. As far as equipment under that hood, power steering, power brakes, has a newer vintage style AC system, and that does blow cold. Aluminum radiator, Hedman headers, I believe it was HEI ignition. Again, 383 stroker paired up with a TH 350 automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, still pictures of it. Check out the bed, check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see those pics. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this truck. Paint overall, nice condition. There are a few, I mean, with black, as any black vehicle, you're going to notice a few imperfections. Notice there was a couple just kind of little, I don't know if they're scratches in the clear, but just real light. It's tough to see it, but you know, you talk about black, look at the reflection of that sign in it. It's got a great luster to it, and with any black paint that's got some luster, you will notice a few of the imperfections. There you go, you can kind of get them to show up. Chrome, bright work, as you can see, also very nice on this truck. This truck will turn some heads. Take it to any of your local cruise-in shows. It's going to make a statement, no doubt about that. Now, this does have a 3-inch suspension lift to it. Riding on BF Goodrich. All-terrain tires and those have plenty of tread on them. A lot of rubber left on those. I believe it was 18-inch black wheels. Let me double check that for you. Let's take a look. Find the size on there. Yep, 18-inch wheels. Interior kept very stock looking, and I'll slip around to the driver's side. We'll pop this open, but again, black vinyl interior, bench seat, tilt column, retro sound stereo system put in there. Looks good. We'll pop open the driver's door and take a look at that. Sierra badging in the back. Just everything about this truck. Great build, nice look, nicely done. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this truck may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, they did put a fifth wheel hitch in here if you ever wanted to pull anything with it. They never did. They just had a big truck like this. Should have that in there just in case. And then also there is a receiver behind the plate here. I remember how to do this. Right down below, you'd take the plate off, and there is a receiver here if you wanted to pull something with a smaller receiver. The other thing, gas cap was relocated to behind the taillight. Also a cool little touch, so you don't have any gas cap showing on the sides of the box anywhere. What a look. Remember, still pictures. Check out the underside. Just look up and down there. You can see the reflection of the showroom behind me. Check out the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. If you're into the lifted trucks, this is a nice one. And again, look at the bright work. Let me point out some of this. Look at even the reflection down below that trim work. Alright, interior carries over just as nice. Look at the gauge set. Looks like it would have been stock. Tilt column. Bench seat, great shape. Everything finished off nice in here. Sliding rear window. What more do you want? Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Odometer shows 1351. That could have very easily been since this was built. So easily that starts. A 383 stroker. Got a cam in her. There's your retro sound style radio. So it still looks like an old one, but you have the convenience and reliability of a modern one. Just everything finished off nice in here. Here's all the gauges work, tack works, fuel gauge, oil pressure. Temp hasn't come up yet, but I would assume that will come up with temperature. And of course, lever for the transfer case, 4-wheel drive, high and low, 2-wheel drive. Alright. Nice, that door closes, slip around to the back. Nothing crazy, I mean a nice sounding engine, but nothing over the top, too loud or obnoxious, but a good sound. Tell it's not stock, no doubt about that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, take a look at this engine bay, because you know it's going to be as nice as the rest of this truck. Alright, look at this. Nice and clean, well organized, just perfectly done. Power steering, power brakes, 83 stroker. Get your AC, everything hooked up, does blow cold. HEI kitchen back there. Nice tall fan, aluminum radiator. What a runner. There you go. You're looking for a bad looking truck. Here it is. 1968 GMC K2500. Nicely done. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Download this video in the description. There's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we can sure assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in